Claude Code has quickly become a favorite AI coding partner, not just for developers, but for plenty of non-devs too. The pace of updates has been wild lately, with new features like custom status bars, background processes, and different output modes. Let's walk through them, and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. First up, custom status lines. These let you display extra context right beneath the input field. If you run the basic status line command, it will try to rebuild your terminal prompt using the setup sub-agent. You'll need to restart Claude Code to see the change. That works, but the real power comes when you add a prompt alongside the command and keep the status line config in a separate file. The first line of stdout becomes your status text, and Claude continuously feeds structured JSON to the status line whenever conversation messages update, essentially reflecting the previous prompt's result. You can even add padding to shift the bar away from the edges. Next, background commands. This feature lets you run any bash command behind the scenes, either by hitting Ctrl+B or Claude might trigger it automatically. You can press the down arrow and enter to inspect what's running, or type the BGS command to view all active tasks. From there, you can read stdout directly, and since Claude can also access it, it's perfect for debugging or asking follow-up questions. If you pipe browser logs or use tools like Bun to stream data into the terminal, this saves you from endless copy-paste. Then we have output styles, which control how Claude talks to you. Using the output style command, you can swap from the default mode to explanatory, which adds a teaching section or learning, which not only explains, but also inserts to-do notes in your code and gives you small tasks before continuing, a clever way to sharpen your coding chops. Under the hood, these styles edit Claude's system prompts. That means you could accidentally weaken its coding ability if you overwrite the defaults, but you could also repurpose it to shine in other areas, like storytelling or essays. The docs explain why this differs from using append system prompts or custom/commands. You can even roll your own output style new launches, the setup sub-agent, or you can just ask Claude to design one. New styles get stored in the output styles directory, so you can switch to them later. Say, one that throws in extra emojis. You can also pick a style on the fly by passing it as a command argument. One smaller addition, the permissions command. You've always been able to manage tool access through settings, but now there's an ask mode where Claude requests approval before running something. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI updates. And until next time, happy coding.